Hello traders, again welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take trade with price action and I would like to do compounding trades. Okay, I think it's better to place trades in these 5 pairs in the same time. So if I get a good opportunity, then I will do. So here we can see a strong sellers entry now. So if it's healthy, again I will go with sellers. I don't find any proper rejection now. Okay, so here I'm going to place a put option. So here also we can go with sellers. Here also I'm going to place a put option, and here we can go with buyers. Here also we can go with sellers because there is a rejection now. It's little bit late entry. Okay, but here the candle should be bearish because still the previous candle is strong. Okay, it's here also this one should be bullish, and here there is a round number there is a round number breakout, so it will be risky now because of that round number. I don't see that properly. No issues, I will record that. Okay, there is one loss because of that round number. Okay, now we can see sellers entry, but it closed above that round number. So okay, you can see it's rejecting, so it may go up also, because if it closed below, then we can go with sellers confidently, but here better to avoid. Okay, here it was a winning trade. I will explain the reason in the education part. Here also it was also winning trade. It was bullish candle, and here also winning trade, and here also it was also winning trade. Okay, so I will explain the reasons in the education part. So I need to record my loss. I got one loss here. After this we can trade. We can see a bullish candle is very strong, so it's better to go with buyers because the market also now start to go up. Okay, here I'm going to invest 30 USD. Okay, I'm going to place a call option. Here I don't know why it's coming down. Here again we can go buyers because it may make retracement. If it make retracement, then I think I don't know why strong sellers entry. Okay, oh bullshit, there is a level here we can see. I'll show you that, just wait. I need to draw, then I will show you that. I lost this one, and now I go totally 2 losses. Here we can see there is a gap down open right after strong rejection. Now also that candle closed exactly at that level, right? So we can expect sellers entry. Okay, but previously we can see the opening point of this bullish candle. Just look at, okay, it's open there, so that's why I lost here. No issues, I will recover my loss. I expect it should continue at least to this area. Okay, but it directly reversed from that level. Okay, here also we can see it got rejected from the bottom. The market's getting bad. Okay, here we can go with sellers. Okay, again I'm going to place one more trade. Oh, it's again late entry because of fast momentum, but the candle definitely should be bearish. Here also I'm going to place a put option with some margin of safety because of that new low. But here the candle should be bearish, that's the most probability, but my entry is very bad here. Sometimes the market will be like this. I think high fast momentum in this market. Here I placed because of that new low. Okay, both are winning trade. It's close below my entry. It's my luck. My prediction was here also correct, but here it was weak retracement candle. Okay, so if you are trading in these kind of candles, must keep a margin of safety. Okay, then that should give you more and more winning trades. And here if you observe here, we can see the market is not much good, it's getting bad. So I will do 2-3 trades and after it's better to stop because the market is not much good. You can see it's so many wicks now. Okay, and cancellation area. So don't trade in this kind of market. If you face any kind of fast movement, that should be very risky. Okay, here there is a reverse candle, but I need a good entry. We can move to the next pair. Okay, here the sellers are in force now and sellers momentum. So I'm going to place a put option here. Just go with the trend. Okay, here also it's better to go with sellers, but if I get a good entry like here in this level, that should be more good because sometimes the market may make retracement candle, after it should go down. Okay, but sometimes it will directly go down also because here we can see a gap down open near to the bias area. That's the issue here. Okay, you can see it's finally closed just below my entry. Okay, and it was winning trade. And here it was also winning trade. So if you are trading in the OTC, then we can see what we can see here. It's just continue again and again, right? In the most of the pairs, okay, the trend is going up or down continuously again and again, right? The market may give so many fake movements, but it will continue its trend or its direction in the most of the OTC market. So the better strategy to trade in the OTC market is always try to choose a trending pair. Okay, right? So after that, just go to the trend or momentum. And also it's better to avoid taking trade in the, that's it. Okay, here it's better to go with sellers because previously in this area I lost my trade in this candle. Okay, don't worry, I will explain about this clearly in the education part. Okay, between this area there is a level. Okay, between these two blue lines there is a level. Okay, here it's better to go with sellers, but I need good entry because the market is near to the support area, that's why. But I expect that the present one should be bearish. So in the OTC market, I told you that it may give so many fake movements, but the market will continue its direction. Okay, so always try to choose a trending pair and just go to a trend or momentum. Okay. Oh, it's close below that level. If it close above that level, then we can go. Okay, here there is no rejection, so I placed a put option here and very good entry. Here there is a okay, it's rejecting. Okay, it got rejected from that area. No problem. We can wait for this one. I expect this one should be bearish because in the previous candle I don't find any rejection from the bottom. That's why I placed here a put option, because the market is moving down. We can see sellers momentum, and I agree that there is a level, but in the present candle, in the previous candle I don't find any lower rejection. Okay, there is no proper rejection. That's why I placed put option, and you can see it was also a winning trade. I expect, okay, it's OTC, that's why. Okay, okay, here I'm going to place a put option because it's a continuation sign. Okay, so it's healthy candle, and also I got a good entry. That's why I placed a put option, and this one should be definitely winning trade because there is a level in the left side here, but it broke. Okay, it broke that level, so it may, most of the chance it should close below that line. Okay, if it's winning trade, then I will stop. Okay, it was winning trade, we can see. And today I think I placed so many trades and I lost 2 trades, but I recovered. After that I continuously won 6 trades, right? So no issues. It's good winning ratio, it's not a bad ratio, because today market is not much good. We can see fast momentum and so many gap up, gap down issues, etc. So we can move to the education part. That should be very important, so everyone must watch the video completely without skipping. Then definitely I will make it clear all the reasons of these trades. Okay everyone, welcome back to the educational part. So now I'm going to tell you the reasons of my trades. Here we can start from a loss. I lost this trade, it's only because of this round number. Okay, because we know that this bearish candle broke that round number. Okay, and after that we can expect retracement candle. Okay, that's we can see here, but this candle is not much weak, right? Still it's strong. Okay, so and it closed above this round number like this. Okay, above this round number, so we can't directly go with sellers. If it's a weak candle, okay, if it's a weak candle and it's like this, I mean like this, like an inverter hammer, something like that, that indicate rejection. So the sellers will definitely go down. But here still this bullish candle is not much weak. It can be considered like a healthy candle. Okay, so it's better to place a call option, but must keep a margin of 50. It's better to place below of this 50%. That should be more good, because if the sellers may make retracement candle, then we may lose. Okay, and I expect that everyone got clear about this trade. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. It's nothing because of this round number breakout. This bearish candle broke that round number. That's why the market reversed here. And if it's a weak bearish candle, we can go with sellers confidently. But here still it's a strong candle. So, and it closed above that round number. So it's better to go with buyers here with some margin of safety. Okay, so if it's not clear, you can ask me. I will make it more clear, so we can move to the next trade. Okay, we can discuss the case of this one. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. Here we can see the market reverse from this level, right? And here we can see a strong candle. Okay, a strong candle, and also there is no lower rejection. Okay, there is no lower rejection. And if you observe this market, here we can see the buyers are almost to this area. Okay, for a buyer's entry, the sellers at least to reach this level. otherwise the sellers will continue. And we can take this one. If this candle is like a weak one, okay, like this, and if it's close around this level, next one should go up. Okay, next one should go up. But here we can see a bearish candle and there is no lower rejection, and the next possible buyer's area is almost to this level. Still there is a gap, so the market will definitely try to fill that gap. And we can discuss another case and take this like a support area, and if the sellers open here and they go down and hit this level and reject and form a candle like this, like a hammer or something like that, okay, next one also should go down to fill this gap, because in this case the market reversed directly without reaching the actual level. Okay, I mean without filling the gap. If you just wait, if the market reversed like that, I mean if it open here and go down and reject from this level and go up, okay, go up and form a bullish candle like this, sometimes the market will be like that, like this. Then next one, in the next candle we can again go with sellers, because the market will again try to fill that gap. Then if you find again a weakness in that candle, okay, again if you find a weakness in that candle, next one should go up. And after that bullish candle, okay, after that bullish candle, again a strong sellers entry, which means the sellers want to go more down. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear. It's nothing. Here we can see strong sellers entry and there is no lower rejection, and the next possible area, I mean next possible reversal area is at least to this level. The market need to reach at least to this area, then only we can expect a reversal, right? So still there is a gap between this area, there is a gap, so the market should continue. That's why I again placed a put option in this candle. So we can move to the next one. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the reason of this trade. That's why I placed a call option here. Here if you observe here, we can clearly see that here previously the market was consolidating between this area, right? Okay, between this level the market was consolidating. Okay, which means here it's a support area and here it's a resistance area, right? Here there is a resistance between this level. Okay, so here we can see this bullish candle break that level. Okay, it's broke that level, and after that breakout it got support, right? It got support from this level. Okay, it got support. Here we can see buyer's entry and the sellers close at that level. Okay, and already we know that previously it was a resistance, so after breakout it may chance to act as support. And here look at where the candle closed, exactly at that level, right, at the support area. So that's why I placed a call option in this candle. The market closed at the support area. Okay, then I simply just go with buyers. So we know that from the support area the buyers should enter into the market, right? That it's only a logical trading. There is no need to consider anything more for trading in the consolidation area. Okay, just look at the chart properly and what you are seeing. Okay, then just place. That's it. So we can move to the next one. Okay, now I am going to tell you the reason of this trade. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. I think in the second trade I told you that there's a round number breakout like this. Okay, I think in the second trade. Okay, so after that this candle, I mean this bullish candle was strong in that case, like this, right, like this, and it closed above that round number. Then I told you that it's better to place a put option below the 50% of this bullish candle. Okay, better to place a call option, sorry, not put option, better to place a call option. If you are seeing, just wait, if you are seeing a strong candle like this, okay, after these kind of candles, if you are seeing again a strong bullish candle like this, and if it close above that round number, okay, then most of the time next one should go up, but it's better to place below of this 50%. I mean, better to place a call option below of this 50%. That should be good, because sometimes the market may make retracement like this. Okay, but here we can see just opposite of that case. Here it's a weak candle. I told you at that time, if you find a weak candle, then we can confidently go with sellers, right? So after that, okay, after that round number breakout, I just find a weak candle. Okay, I just find a weak bullish retracement candle, then I confidently go with sellers, and we can see it was a winning trade. Okay, that's only reason, it's nothing. It's just like the second case, I think. Okay, so after a bearish candle, it's a strong candle, right? But there is a round number breakout. Okay, there is a round number breakout, and we can see every time when the sellers break that round number, again buyer's entry. Here also, when the sellers broke that round number, again buyer's entry. Okay, so here also, when the sellers broke that level, again we can expect buyer's entry, but it was very weak buyers. Okay, that's why I placed a put option with confidence. But if it's a strong buyers, okay, like this, I don't go with sellers. Okay, I just go only with the buyers with some margin of safety. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear. It's a weak candle, that's why I placed a put option. It's only a retracement. Okay, the trend want to continue here. Okay, we can discuss this one. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. Here we can see from this point the buyers are moving up, right, and again start to go down, and it's reversed from this level, right? So again it start to go up, and it made a retracement candle here, okay, at this level, because here we can see some reversal and sellers entry. Here it was a strong bearish candle, and here it was strong bearish candle, but now it was weak bearish candle, right? Okay, weak bearish candle, and that's why here it continue. Okay, so many of your, I know that many of your doubt that how the SNR level will, how to identify the SNR level will work or not. It's nothing. We need to consider who is dominating the market, buyers or sellers. Here we can see the buyers are in force now, but here it's like a ranging area. Okay, it's looking like ranging between this level or consolidating. So here, what's the reason? Okay, it's a actual reason why the market reversed here. Here we can see strong sellers entry from this level, right? So it's again start to go down. Okay, here also strong sellers, so it's again start to go down. Okay, but here weak sellers, so it start to go up. Okay, it start to go up. So here we can come to our trade. That's how identify the level will work or not. We need to check the behavior of candle at the level. That's the only solution. Then we can easily identify that. Okay, so we can move to this one. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. It's nothing. Here we already saw that the buyers become very weak now. Okay, buyers become very weak, and this candle is strong when compared to this one, and it's completely covered. It's like an engulfing. Okay, so again a strong candle, right? After this, again a strong candle, and I don't find any enough rejection in that candle. Okay, it's strong, and still we can expect a reversal from this area, at least to this area, right? And still there is a gap to that level. Okay, the sellers need needs to reach this level, okay, this level, and still there is a small gap, so it will try to go down. But if the second candle, if I get any proper rejection and if it close like this, I don't directly trade here, because it may again try to go down and hit from this level and go up. That's the most probability. But here I don't find any proper weakness. Okay, that's called price action. If I find any proper weakness in this candle, like if it close like this, then next one may go up, because it can be considered like a rejection from this point, because previously it was a resistance and now it will act as support. But in this candle I don't find any such rejection or such weakness, still it's strong. Okay, that's why again I placed a put option with confidence. So we can move to next one. I expect that everyone got clear. It's nothing. We already saw that the buyers become very big, again sellers entry made a new low, again a strong candle, and the sellers need to reach at least to this level to reverse. Okay, that's why I placed a put option in this candle. But the second bearish candle is a weak candle, and if I found any rejection like this, okay, then I will go with buyers, but I will place an entry almost to this area only. Okay, that should be safe. That's why. So we can move to the next one. Okay, we can discuss this one. It's very important. I lost this because of my mistake. Okay, I will tell you the correct reason. That's why I lost this trade. Here I thought the market should try to reach this area. Okay, because it's a strong candle, so I found that it's a reversal point, so I expect that the market should try to fill this gap. But if you observe again and again, okay, we will get something, okay, something from this chart. That is, here if you observe here, the market reversed from this point, and I just draw a line exactly from that point, right? And here we can see there is a strong rejection in the candle. Okay, but it don't reverse here. Do you know why? Because look at the next candle opening point. It's made a gap down open, right? But if the opening, we can call this candle like candle number 1 and it's candle number 2, right? So the candle 1 number closing point was here, right? And here there is a fluctuation. The candle number 2 opened here. But if the candle number 2 open exactly at this point, next one should go down. Okay, because there should be some level, that's why. And there, if you observe here, we can see a fluctuation. There is a gap down open here, but here there is no gap down open here. It's exactly open at that point. Okay, exactly at that point. But here also, if the candle open almost to this area, then definitely it should try to go up. Okay, it should try to go up to fill that gap or to break that level. Here the candle number 2, just wait, here the candle number 2 want to broke this area, it want to go more up, that's why it's made a gap down open. So it's very important in the market. I lost this trade, but I learned something from this loss. So simply loss means, okay, loss means if you face a failure in your life or anywhere, okay, here we can take the case of this chart. Okay, we can take the case of this chart, and I learned that I lost because of this fluctuation and there is a level. Okay, that's why that's the reason why I lost here. Okay, and nothing more. So in your life you may also face so many failures, right? So simply fail means, okay, what do you mean by fail or loss? It simply means if you don't learn anything from a failure, okay, from a failure, that's called loss. But if you learn any knowledge or any experience or anything like that from a failure, then that can be considered like a loss. Okay, because you got some knowledge, or you earn some knowledge or experience or something like that from that failure, then that can be considered like a loss. Again, once more, simply loss means it's very important thing. Okay, so if you got a fail in when you are trading, if you lost, then you need to identify, or you need to find the reason that's why you lost that trade. Okay, if you find the right reason, then that's not a loss. Okay, because you got some knowledge from that loss, then that can be considered like a failure or loss. Okay, because you got some experience, so in the next time you can easily avoid that and you can make money with that experience or with that knowledge. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear. It's I lost here because of this level. If you plot a line here, it's a level and it's a rejection, that's why seller's entry. And this candle made any gap down open like this, next one should go up, because it will again try to go up like this. Okay, so we can move to, I expect that it's clear for everyone. So when you are trading, if you lose a trade, then must try to study of that loss, why you lose that trade. Then definitely you can avoid that same, I mean you need to face the same thing in the future market also. Then at that time easily you can avoid, because you already find that the reason. Okay, you already find the reason of your loss. So we can move to the next trade. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the reason of this trade. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. Here I just go to the trend. Okay, and also we know that in an uptrend or in a downtrend, the market will make temporary reversals or pullback. Okay, or retracement. Here we can see a retracement candle. Here also a retracement candle. It have rejection. Here also it have rejection. Then I placed a put option. Okay, so always try to choose a trending market, then just go to the trend. Sometimes the market will make retracement candles like this, but in these two candles also, if you get a good entry, I mean if you get a margin of 50, then that also should be winning trade. Okay, so always better to trade with a margin of 50 when you are trading in the trending market also. Then from here to here you don't find any loss. Okay, if you do the same thing, okay, I mean if you just go with the trend and also if you keep a margin of 50, then you will get all these winning trades, right? So that's it, we can move to the next one. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why I placed a put option in this candle. You just try to answer me. It's nothing, right? I just go to the momentum or just go to the trend. Okay, here we know that the market is moving down, so sellers are in force. Okay, they are in momentum, so I just place a put option here and it was also winning trade. So I don't explain the balance trades because it's very time consuming, and if anyone have any doubts in that trades, you can ask me. I will make it clear. I think it's almost same reason, just go to the momentum or trend. There is no other reasons, I think. Okay, but if anyone have doubts in that trades, you can ask me. I will definitely answer you. You can message me personally. My contact details is available on the description. And also if you want to join in the Telegram community, you can also join. We will update. You will get daily updations. And also in the next week I'm totally free. In the next 2 weeks I'm completely free. So if anyone have doubts about the binary option, you can ask me. And also another thing is, now the course registration is started. So if anyone want to participate in our trading program that's based on price action, okay, and if anyone want to participate in our trading program, they can also contact me. The contact details is available on the description. So I think it's the time to stop. So all of you, wish you good profit, and in the next month maybe the market will be bad because of the year ending. So it's better to take limited trades, and after it better to stop otherwise you may lose your fund, because at the end of the year every time the market will be highly volatile, so it's better to stay back. And also in the first January, and I mean in the first month of the next year also, you may face same condition, you may chance to face the same situation like the December. So it's better to take limited trades in the next 2 months, and after stop, take some rest. So all of you, wish you good profit, take carefully and take care of your health.